Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to edit your Instagram Reels privacy settings using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen. Now you want to choose the reel at the lower right corner of your screen. Okay? So now, as you can see at the upper right corner of your screen, there's this settings icon. So just go ahead and click on that and click on story. Okay, so here you can just go ahead and choose who can view your reel by clicking the hide story from. You can choose any user that you want to hide your story from. And here at the close friends, so when you click on that, only your close friends can see the video. Here at the second section, the replying section, you can see who can reply on the video. So you can choose everyone, people you follow, or you can just go ahead and turn off the replying option. And here at the saving section, you can toggle that switch on when you want to save the story to your camera roll, and toggle that switch off if you don't want to save it on your camera roll. And here, save a story to archive. So if you want to save it on your archive, just go ahead and toggle that switch on, and if you don't want to, just go ahead and toggle that switch off. And here at the last section, the sharing options. So when you want to allow sharing to story, just go ahead and toggle that switch on. It let people add your post to their story. Your username will always show up with your post. And the second option, the allow sharing to messages. Let people share your story in a message. So if you want to allow that, just go ahead and toggle that switch on. And the last option is share your story to Facebook. It automatically share your Instagram story as your Facebook story. So if you want to enable that option, just go ahead and toggle that switch on. Okay? And that is how you edit your Instagram Reels privacy settings. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.